How to get $100 Lyft promo code. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Let me head over to Safari. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Lyft promo code 2024. Well, tons of different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me head over to the very first site. Simply click on it. You will be landing on this page. In this page, you will get to see tons of different offers and discounts. In here, you have to search for $100 promo code. Once you find it, click on it. The promo code will be available to you now. All you want to do is copy this promo code. Once you have copied, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the application Lyft and then apply this promo code. Once you have applied the promo code, you will receive the offers and discount according to your promo code, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get $100 Lyft promo code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.